Yes, in order, those who are having phones, the best way for you to access the course, this is how you're going to do it. So you're going to be following the procedures that Hadia is going to be taking us through. So Hadia, click on that link. Now, those who are using a phone, the moment you click onto the link, it will take you to that dashboard. Now, Hadia, what you are going to do, I want you to scroll down and get the word which has get started. I don't know that you are seeing that word, get started. Are you seeing it somewhere? Or you are
No,
not? You are not seeing
no,
it,
I
huh?
am yet.
Okay. Now, what you are going to do, since you are not seeing it, you are going to, okay. Okay, continue. No problem. Continue up. Or it is done. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, I want you to remove this thing which is telling you, but okay, it is there. Are you seeing it?
Oh, I've seen it.
So you press get started. Now, since I don't, Hadia, do you have an account? Have you ever done any course?
Not yet.
Yes, not yet. So since she has never done any course, so we are going to go where there is sign up. Don't have an account, sign up. Good. Now, Hadia, you're going to fill in those details. Select the country, select the state, the year of birth, and then the month.
Okay.
Yeah. So you follow those procedures that Hadia is taking us through. So now, Hadia, can you first place before you, now Hadia, before you go
Mm-hmm.
there, can you first show us the requirements? People need to know the requirements. Password requirements.